Hello, this is me, Ali. Sorry, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question. Hi. Okay, I had two questions about Google Ads. I posted before about a small business cleaning business locally in Central Florida. What do you think about the not the website option, but having the customer click to call Google offers? Is that a viable option? What should I read, or what should I expect my price to be per click? Okay, so you have two questions. Okay, so the first question you have is whether you should have a website or not for promoting, or you want a direct call. Okay, so direct call option is not being offered by Google without a website, so it's mandatory to have a website. Okay, so you need to have a website even for the call campaign. Okay, you need to have it, and trust me, it worth every penny. Whatever you spend on having a good website worth every penny. And in case if you want our help, me and my team can help you in even creating an awesome website for you as well. But the point I'm going to raise over here is that website also bring professionalism. People can learn more about you before making a decision. They can see your reviews, you can post your reviews, your services you offer, your pricing, so they have a make up a mind before even calling you. So it's good to have a website, but that is a mandatory requirement by Google, so you need to have it. Okay, so now your question is, what should I expect my price to be per click? Okay, your price to be per click gonna varies. Okay, so it's not going to be a fixed any pricing. I cannot say what pricing you have to say. Okay, but there are a few things which I can tell you. Okay, the at the first, you may have to pay a little more. You may have to pay a little more. Okay, why you are paying a little more? Because we, first of all, we needed data. What kind of a people we are getting converted on, what kind of audience we like, what kind of a keywords are working well for our business. We need to figure out those. And then the second stage of Google comes in, where you optimize your campaign to target on right keywords, and you optimize your quality score, which is a very important liable part of the main algorithm part of the Google, where if you learn the art of optimizing quality score, you will be able to reduce the price, and you can even pay half the price of what your competitors are paying. So now to get it reduced, you have to optimize your quality score over here. Okay, so you have to work on few of these things, and they can help you. Now the question is regarding what should be the estimated. Okay, what you can do is, you can move on to your Google account. You can simply select tools. You can go to your keyword planner over here, and they're going to give you an estimated cost for you have to write your country, and you have to write your keywords. They are going to give you an estimated keyword. For instance, you can also use other pay tools as well. And they can also help you, and you can also try doing random CPC settings. For instance, if you set your CPC at $2, see what ad position you are getting and how many people are clicking on your ad. Try raising it, and you will have a data as well. Now this you can also do it manually, but you need to understand your peak hours, off peak hours, peak days, off peak days, to give you an exact estimation of what exactly your CPC cost is. Now to optimize your campaign and to figure out what your exact CPC is, you may have to test, and you may have to spend some money to get the exact figure. But this is going to help you in your longer term to determine what exactly is your cost and where you are lacking on. For instance, if you have a good keyword, if you have a good campaign, if you have a good ad, what an ad. I always say that ad should have a lot of things like your advertiser rating, site link, promo deals, location extension, everything, so that your ad is more appealing to the customer. If you have all of these things, then the conversion rate may be differ, and you can have a lower price because your ad is more eye catchy, more attracting, and people are more clicking on your ad. So focus these things, and you will be able to get a good campaign for your cleaning business in Central Florida. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you're looking for a detailed Google Ads audit, setup management for SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description, and we're going to start working with you in creating an awesome optimized campaign. And guys, in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification. And you can also like and share this video as well to your friends or families to help me grow. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.